Today we are going to see the floral formula and the floral diagram of the Malvaceae family. The floral formula of the Malvaceae family is the content bracteate, actinomorphic symmetry, bisexual or a hermaphrodite, presence of Epicalyx which is ranges from 3 to 7 in number, Calyx shows the 5 sepals, gamosepalous condition, Corolla 5 petals, free, androecium infinite and fuse, gynoecium 5, syncarpous condition and hypogynous. And there is the epipetalous condition. So let's start with the floral diagram. The mother axis, next to the mother axis, there is a presence of the outermost floral whorls, that is the epicalyx. The epicalyx is generally ranges from 3 to 7 in a number in case of the Malvaceae family. So let's start with first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one. So as I said, the epicalyx number are ranges or varies from 3 to 7 in number. The epicalyx is denoted by the pointed arc in the floral diagram. Second one, the third one, fourth, and the fifth. So all the individuals of the epicalyx are not overlapping on one another. These are the free. The next floral whorl is the calyx. The calyx consists of the sepals which is alternate to the epicalyx. So each sepal are the alternate to the epicalyx. So let's start with the first sepals. Second, third, fourth, and the fifth. So each sepals do not overlap on the each other. Therefore, the estivation is the valvate estivation. This is the third one, fourth, and the fifth. Then there is the fusion between the sepals, as the condition is the gamosepalous. Therefore, we are drawing the loop between the each sepals. So it represents the gamosepalous condition, while the estivation is the valvate, as they are not overlapping on each other. The next is the corolla. The corolla consists of the petals, and each petals are alternate to the sepals. So in case of the Malvaceae family, the petals are arranged in a specific manner, that is the estivation, and this estivation is a twisted estivation in which each petals are overlap on the another. One is the inserted inside and the another end is towards the outside. So we are drawing the one end to the inside and the outer one, another one is the outside. So this type of estivation is called as the twisted estivation, and the petals are free. Next is the androecium. Androecium is formed by the staminal tube and show the epipetalous condition. Therefore, we are drawing the lines between the staminal tube and the petals. That means the staminal tube are attached to the petals at the base. Therefore, it is the epipetalous condition. On the staminal tube, there is a presence of a number of the anthers, which is attached to the filaments, and these filaments are form the staminal tube by the fusion. So each kidney shape, reniform Anthers are present on the filament on the staminal tube, surrounding the entire staminal tube in a circular manner. So this type of the fusion in the stamens are called as the monoadalphous condition, in which a single bundle is formed, that is mono. Therefore, it is called as the monoadalphous condition. Next is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is the pentacarpellary and the syncarpus. The 5 carpels are fused to form the pentacarpellary condition. In case of the pentacarpellary, the carpels are fused to form the 5 different locules, and each locule contains the ovule in a specific manner on the placenta, which is termed as the placentation. And the placentation in case of the Malvaceae family is exioplacentation. So we are going to draw the each ovule in each locule. So this is the floral diagram of the Malvaceae family.